Helpful tips for the work-at-home entrepreneur. Starting a home business need not be a daunting task for the well-prepared entrepreneur. Advanced planning and research will improve the chances of success for any business. Even established home business owners can reap improved performance from additional learning. This video conveys some simple tips and tricks that may be of use to home business owners, whether or not they are just starting out. Get a separate phone line or cell phone for your home office. Weeding out work-related calls from personal calls can be stressful as well as time-consuming. If you have a line just for your business, you can focus on the work at hand and leave the personal business for later. If your home office has enough room, create a portion of it as a separate sitting area with a couch or lounge chair. When the work you need to do does not involve the computer, utilize this relaxing space. It can help you brainstorm, spur your creativity and keep you fresh. Make sure to put the name of your home business and the URL to your website in the signature of every email that you send out. Also, do the same on any blogs or message boards that you actively post on. People who like what you have to say will be likely to click the link. When you want to open your own business and are searching for a field to enter, check online. But watch out! The internet is also a place where scams abound. Be careful. There are many websites that sell guides containing information that is already freely available, or information that is so basic that it is not worth paying for. There are complex scams out there as well. Doing research will keep you from falling victim to something that is not legit. Education might well be the best way to guarantee home business success. This video includes just a few of the many ideas available to the enterprising home business owner. Remaining open to new strategies and fresh ideas is a great strategy for anyone looking to make their home business pay off. Student loan.